Hello coders! Today we'll be making the age-old Python demo, the number guessing game. We'll start by creating a new Python file. In idle, go to File, New File. Then go to File, Save As, and name your file numberguess.py. Then press save. Full screen your dock. Now, let's start by outlining how a number guessing game works. The first thing is the computer thinks of a random number and remembers that number. Second, the computer asks the user to guess the random number. Third, if the user is correct, the computer tells the user and exits. If the user is wrong, the computer says that the user's guess is too high or too low. Step 4. Go back to step 2. So let's think of how this will work. First of all, the computer will think of the random number 10. It'll say, I'm thinking of a random number between 1 and 50. And it'll say, and then it'll remember the number 10. The computer will ask, guess my random number, and the user will input a guess. If the user says 10, the program exits. If the user says 11, then the computer says their guess was too high. If the user guesses 9, the computer says the guess is too low. Let's start. BTW. These triple quotes mean that the text should be ignored by the program and it's just there for humans to read. If we're going to be using random numbers, we need to start by importing the random module. The random module gives us random number utilities. Then we're going to create a random number. We'll call it secret. Secret equals random.randint between 0 and 10, including both 0 and 10. Now, we're going to execute step 2. Because step 2 will happen multiple times, it has to be inside a loop. While true, indent, print. I'm thinking of a random number between 0 and 10 inclusive. Guess my number. Now we need to get the user's guess. We're going to say guess equals int input. Now we're going to have the user's guess in guess. So, we need to execute step 3. If the user is correct, the computer should tell the user an exit. If guess double equals 2 equal signs, if guess is equal to secret, print You got it. And then exit. Else if the guess is too high, it's greater than the secret, then print too high. Else if the guess is less than the secret, print too low. Now, save and run. Go to run module. I'm thinking of a random number between 0 and 10 inclusive. Let's guess 5. You got it. And we'll press OK. Let's try it again. F5 to run. Let's guess 5. Too low. Let's guess 7. Still too low. 8. You got it. Now, how could we improve our program? First of all, when it says you got it, it would be better if the computer told us how many times we've guessed. For that, we will make a variable which tracks guesses. GUESS. Guesses equals 0. We'll initialize it up here. Every time the user guesses, we'll guesses equals guesses plus 1. Now, when the user gets it, we'll print out how many tries they took. Say, you got it in int guesses. Let's try it out. F5 to run. I'm thinking of a random number between 0 and 10 inclusive. Guess my number. 5. Too high. 6. Too high. 8. Too high. 9. Too high. 10. Too high. Wait a second. That's impossible. Why is 10 too high? Try 11. Okay, there's something wrong with our program. Start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. You cannot convert integer object to string implicitly. Our print is wrong. Instead of this, let's write this. You got it in, curly braces, guesses. And now after that string, dot format guesses. Now try that out. What dot format does is it replaces curly braces with variables. In this case, it's replacing these curly braces with the variable guesses. Run. Guess a number. 5. Too high. 6. Too high. 7. Too high. 8. Too high. 9. Too high. 10. Too high. Now, while it may look like there's something wrong here, there isn't. What was wrong earlier was not our comparisons, but our string formatting. Let's try 4. Too high. 1. Too high. 0. You got it in 9 guesses. Well, this is our number guessing game for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a good introduction to Python. Please download the source code and extend it yourself.